Okay, so welcome back. We're going to demonstrate on how to use this soldering iron. So, what I have here is a chapstick tube that has flux in it. I set that to the side. This is just the charging board off of an old battery. As you can see, the black wire already has flux on it. This is a speaker out of a CL20 headphones. Confirm that this works. Go ahead and touch the positive and negative, make it crack. Oh, well, I guess the speaker don't work. Anyway, let's demonstrate how to solder. Let's see, where's the best view? There we go. So since this wire already has the flux on it, I'm just going to lay it down on top of that. No need for solder, there's already solder on there. Go ahead and lay one down. Let's heat this up. Oh, there it goes. Got a little smoke. It's getting hot. A little bit more. Okay. And set this to the side. Was it successful? Oh, look at that. What's on there tight? And that's how we do it. Let's see if I can pull it off. And as you can see, it pretty much took the wire with it. And that's how we solder.